Off we go. Bicar serving. Let's see how Bicar can switch things up. Gonzaga met by a triple block. Nunag bump set. Galang from the opposite side. 7 points now for Sergeant Jovelyn Gonzaga. A high bump set. Aragalang.
Oh!
Abby Maraño.
Oh, good save.
Great hustle there for Zeus. Chance ball. Galang with the push. Versosa will play secondary setter, but so we are at the deadlock at 4 apiece. Mondoñedo, the setup for Troncoso. Bicar, the setup for Robles. The chance here for Gamit. No, not yet, says Nunag. Robles one more time, and she scores.
Yes, is yung mataas yung bola for her open hit.
You like the activity here for Robles, scoring 2 more points. And Chini Arroyo as well. Kumbaga down the line. Quiet na lang ako. Just waited for it to happen. In the meantime, talaga sa kanya, sharing the wealth.
Agree.
Because 5 players are closing in double figures.
As early as now, kakastart pa lang natin ang second set.
Gonzaga off the block. Bicar. Aragalang drop ball.
Smart drop ball there by Aragalang.
9 serving 11. Cagate. So Cagate still serving here. Bump set. Robles goes drop. They've been working on that play. Free ball for the crossovers. Alina Bicar. To the middle. Not yet, says Cloan.
Tight set.
Tight.
Oh, it's his side.
Contributing here for Zeus Coffee. That's why they have a 7-point lead. Galang will play setter. 8-1 run for Zeus Coffee, Paneng.
That's right. But I think the crossovers needs to be more aggressive on the defense as well. Oh, ball is still alive.
Bit of confusion. Still in play. Aragalang medyo namamahay na dito sa service line.
Not a good first ball.
They've been targeting Arroyo.
Oh!
Putting it down. It's really the veterans who's answering the call here for Zeus Coffee and Jove and Chai. Nabor, the setup for Robles.
That one-handed defense.
Another try to the quick. Yandok was there. Bump set. Chini Arroyo. Juju Angeles to the other side. Pascual was blocked.
Pascual denied by Rodriguez.
Good receive by Verdeflor. The setup for Adorador.
The block was there, but the angle was not quite right for Thea Gagate.
They target Troncoso. Jump set. Pascual. Slowed down by the blockers. Adorador, heat check. Angeles was there to cover. From the pipe, Troncoso, not yet.
Oh, what a block by Arroyo.
Turned back by Arroyo.
Mondoñedo still serving. A sharp one. Jules Samonte.
Smart hit from Samonte.
Coming up big. Cagate. Nunag was there. A tough set. A tough hit. Chini Arroyo. But what a dig there by Nunag. The roll. Shaya Adorador coming up big and back
during that last sequence.
And so we are at set point. Aragalang from the open. Long cross court.
But this time, let's see what Cheritigo will do.
Mondoñedo opting for Gonzaga. Troncoso goes drop ball. Bicar was there. Nunag bump set. It's close. And the ball is kept in play by Galang. Gonzaga putting it down, ending set number 2.